The moment this metallic red biomorphic motorhome comes into view, it looks less like a vehicle and more like a living creature carved from molten luxury. Its curves don't follow engineering logic, they follow biology. The body flows like liquid metal, the windows stretch like mitochondria, and the entire structure glows with warm orange veins as if it has a heartbeat of its own. This isn't a motorhome, it's a moving organism built for the ultra-rich. And today, we're stepping inside it. Our first stop is the bedroom, and trust me, this is where the motorhome reveals its true identity. The walls don't meet at corners. Instead, they fold into each other like smooth flowing amoeba forms, shaped in deep metallic red with glossy black inlays curling through them like living veins. Every curve has purpose. Every contour breathes warmth. Golden micro-LEDs run across the ceiling like branching starfish arms, giving the entire room a surreal organic glow. The bed itself isn't even a normal bed, it's grown, not built. An asymmetrical amoeba-shaped platform in matte black, floating above an amber underglow. A soft charcoal mattress stretches across it with deep red textured pillows completing the atmosphere. The two side tables don't stand on legs, they rise from the wall like biological extensions, each holding a single black vase with a tiny orange flower. A mitochondria-shaped window pulls your attention, its soft black curtain adding privacy while still letting warm sunset tones bleed into the room. The floor in matte dark graphite picks up soft red reflections, completing one of the most surreal, sculptural bedrooms ever imagined inside a moving home. Just outside the bedroom, the dressing area continues this living architecture design. The walls fold inward like soft biological waves, with metallic red forms merging seamlessly into glossy black mitochondria-style insets. Thin golden LED veins trace every curve, glowing subtly from within, almost like bioluminescence. The vanity feels like something grown underwater, a matte black surface with warm orange underglow, perfectly smoothed and floating out of the wall. The mirror is a clean biomorphic oval with soft golden lighting hugging the edges. Two asymmetrical wardrobes stand opposite, shaped like organic shells split open, sliding red-black doors revealing hanging clothes washed in warm golden interior light. A small mitochondria-shaped window on the side softens the room further. The dark graphite floor reflects subtle warm tones, making the whole space feel compact, premium, and intentionally sculptural. Moving into the lounge, the motorhome shifts into full art mode. The walls ripple into starfish-like curves, blending deep metallic red with matte black organic veins. A warm orange glow moves across the room like ambient sunset trapped in soft motion. The sofa is not straight, not rectangular, not predictable, it's a fluid asymmetrical amoeba form upholstered in charcoal with deep red cushions. It feels alive, like it was shaped by flowing water. At the center sits a black pebble-like coffee table, smooth and reflective, with golden ripples glowing underneath. The mitochondria-shaped window continues the theme, stretching sideways with a soft black curtain hugging its curve. Look up and the ceiling breaks into branching coral-inspired layers, filled with tiny golden micro-LED dots like stars in a deep-sea galaxy. The dark graphite floor grounds everything with elegance. Even the air in this room feels artistic. Behind the lounge, as we move deeper, we step into the executive office, a compact but elite workspace sculpted exactly for someone who travels the world but refuses to downgrade their lifestyle. The deep red satin wall curves are fused with glossy black glass inlays shaped like smooth biomorphic patterns. Golden LED veins run across these forms, calm and luxurious. At the center floats an amoeba-shaped desk in matte black, its underside glowing in warm orange. On top sits an open laptop, a sunflower in a matte black vase, and a black coffee mug, subtle details that bring warmth to the futuristic setting. Floating shelves extend from the walls like natural growths, carrying red-edged accents. The chair, upholstered in charcoal leather with red stitching, across from it, a slim mitochondria-shaped window brings filtered daylight into the room. The ceiling shines softly with starfish-inspired radial layers. Every inch of this office feels intentional, artistic, and hyper-premium. Just steps away, the Biomorphic Kitchen continues the theme of fluid, living design. The cabinetry looks like merging amoeba cells, colored deep metallic red with black mitochondria inlays. Golden LED veins trace each organic divide. The countertop is a matte black organic slab with perfectly separated areas for the induction stove and round sink. Even the microwave is seamlessly integrated into a biomorphic niche, almost invisible until you need it. A small starfish-shaped dining extension reaches outward with two mini stools in charcoal and red. A teapot and vase sit neatly on the edge, adding a soft, human warmth to the ultra-futuristic layout. The mitochondria-shaped window returns again, tying every room together in a coherent design language. The bathroom brings in more elegance, deep red satin walls fused with glossy black organic arcs, golden LED streams branching like glowing coral. A floating matte black vanity holds a biomorphic basin with an oval mirror glowing in warm orange. The shower pod is shaped like a mitochondria shell with a tinted black glass door. The commode sits inside a soft sculpted alcove, matching the liquid geometry of the space. The graphite floor picks up warm gradients from the golden ceiling, shaped in gentle droplet-like waves. Just past the bathroom is the motorhome's quietest and most serene space, the indoor mini pool. The basin is shaped like a smooth amoeba sculpted in black stone with a warm orange underglow beneath the waterline. The satin red walls and black organic inlays glow with golden branching lines. Organic steps rise from the wall, and rolled towels sit on a black sculpted shelf. The ceiling forms a soft starfish of radiating layers, glowing gold, creating a peaceful, spa-like atmosphere inside a moving home. Finally, the gym, compact but elegantly functional. Biomorphic red-black curves fold across the walls, with golden LED outlines giving structure and depth. A central adjustable bench, a multi-purpose cable machine, a chrome dumbbell rack, and resistance bands form a complete setup. Behind the rack, a recessed black glass niche glows with soft orange uplight. The gym floor in charcoal anti-slip material feels professional, grounded, and realistic. Our last stop is the cockpit, the control center of this moving sculpture. A deep metallic red top arc sweeps across the dashboard, blending into matte black below. A razor-thin golden LED line slices cleanly across the edge, giving the cockpit a futuristic glow. The steering wheel, organic in design, sits centered with silver branching spokes. The digital cluster lives inside a sleek black glass mitochondria-shaped panel. Dual charcoal leather pilot seats with deep red stitching sit perfectly aligned under a coral-inspired golden ceiling. The entire space feels alive, luxurious, and deeply connected to the motorhome's design DNA. So the real question is, if a motorhome like this existed and you had the chance to call it yours, would you take it? Would you travel the world inside a living, breathing piece of biomorphic art, letting the road become your private runway? Tell me in the comments, would you go on an adventure in the metallic red biomorph motorhome, or is this level of luxury simply too unreal to handle?